Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.